How to change your character in the Monopoly Go game. If you are wondering on how to change how you look, then this tutorial is for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Monopoly Go game. After opening the app, you will see something like this on your home screen. Now tap onto three lines at the top right corner right here. Now select it. And then here you can see something like this. Now one thing to remember, there is no any built-in feature that you can change your character directly in the Monopoly Go game. Now to change your character, you can simply tap onto your profile icon right here. Tap on it. Then here you can find the select your avatar option. Now here you can find different kinds of character that you can choose. Now simply tap onto one just like this and tap on to save. Now you can see the character has been changed. So this is how you can change your character in the Monopoly Go game. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.